it's Friday and it's art and craft class. Today we're going to do a very special drawing, yes, and it's called My Special Door Lock. Okay, do you want to have a look at it? Dun, 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 dun. Yes, this is a door lock. And imagine that you have a look through your door lock. What would you like to see? I would like to see a beach with a nice island, because that's my favorite landscape. So now it's your turn. What would you like to see if you look through your door lock? Come on, do it. It can be a mountain landscape. Imagine your house in the beach, in a swimming pool. Okay, so be creative and start with your art and craft class.